Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, which of the following relations is a function? So I'm looking for something that represents a function, right? So before we go into the answer choices, let's look at the definition for function, okay? It's very important that we know what implies, okay? So right here, I have the definition, so let's read it. It says a function is a special kind of relation in which each input x value has one and only one output y value. So this basically means that my x values, okay, cannot repeat. Now, sometimes it's very easy to identify if x values are repeating, like in this problem, because the tables that are given to me is a very easy way for me to see if x repeats or not. So let's look at letter A. I'm going to focus only on the x values. Okay, so let's look at those numbers and let me know if you see any number that repeats. So we can see that -2 repeats. Is right here, -2 and -2, right? Therefore, this is not a function. Okay, let's check B. I'm gonna do the same thing. We're gonna highlight the x values, only the x values. Okay, and now I want you to see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see any number that repeats? Any x value repeating? No, no x value repeats. So if no x value repeats, what does that mean? Then it means this is a function. Notice how I'm not even looking at the y values, okay? This is about the x. So let's look at letter C, just to confirm that A we say it cannot be an answer. So far it looks like B is my answer. So let's see. Let's highlight my x values. And the same question, do you see any x value repeating? And the answer is yes. What value do I see repeating? 1 repeats. And if 1 repeats, this means this is not a function. Okay? And what about D? Let's do the same thing. Check on X, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Any number that you see that repeats. Yes, we can see that the 1 repeats, right? So if 1 repeats, then this means this is not a function. Okay? And yeah, that was okay because the only thing that I found on letter B, right? We said that B was actually a function because B has no values of x repeating. So therefore, my answer is letter B for that.